Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. When I read my comments, you guys are always asking me to do this apple cider vinegar rinse. I didn't think I needed to do it at first. That's why it took me so long, because I'm like, I don't use wax. I don't use things that's hard to come out of my hair, and I use a clarifying shampoo every time I wash my hair, so I feel like I didn't need it. But a couple of days ago I found a little bit of residue, or maybe a little bit of buildup in a couple of my locks, and I got on YouTube and I started, you know, trying to figure out the recipe and what it does to your locks and all that, and it's a really great thing. So I decided to bring this to you guys. I hope you enjoy this video. I am no professional, or whatever you want to call it. I am going to make this mixture and do it the way I'm just gonna do it. I know that there's recipes, like a certain amount of measurements and everything, but I'm gonna just put it together and just do what it do. And hopefully it helps my locks. I'm so excited to see what this water is gonna look like, because a lot of people on here, like, their water turned brown and they're like, what the heck? But I don't know what's gonna happen with my locks. Hopefully it gets some of this residue or buildup out of my locks. I will be coming back on here at a later date to tell you how I think this happened to my hair, because you guys know I don't use waxes or anything that is not easily washed out or more natural. But somehow I got a little something in there. If I can find one, I will definitely give you a close-up on it. But they were so random. I was laying in my bed and they're more at the like ends on the bulbs that I have, you guys. But if I can find it, I will show you. But I will be updating. Let me slow down. But I will be updating you guys on what I think it's from, so that you guys can kind of watch out for it, because that's what this channel is about helping you guys to not make the mistakes that I made, because this is my first journey, and that's basically what we do over here. We look out for each other. So I don't know, let's go. I got my apple cider vinegar and my baking soda, and I also got real lemon. I didn't get lemon juice, so I got real lemon. So I'm gonna do it in my bathroom sink. I don't know how I'm gonna set this up, because I broke my little stand, but however, we're gonna get it done. Okay, so let's go. And hi, I'm Liz. All right, let's go.
You got the upper hand. I've been down on my luck. Yeah, I've had better days, but I've had steep falls. There's a reason why people love an underdog. Battles on one, they just show who you are. And in the end, you know I'm gonna get mine. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but soon enough you're gonna watch me fly, saying there goes a king, have the sword to his neck. Just the story of a comeback king. He's a comeback king who keeps rising up, from any hole you dig. They call me triumphant. You dealt the deck of cards, play 'em how you want. Playing in the dirt's how I learned. Keep reaching out, not counting on the ground, but I come out on top. Legend on bone, they'll fall, I'll rising up. And in the end, you know I'm gonna get mine. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but soon enough you're gonna watch me fly, saying there goes a king, have the sword to his neck. Just the story of a comeback king. He's a comeback king who keeps rising up, from any hole you dig. They call me triumphant. down in the broken light. They call me triumphant. But soon enough, you're gonna watch me fly, saying there goes a king, have the sword to his neck. Just the story of a comeback king. He's a comeback king who keeps rising up, from any hole you dig. They call me triumphant.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Y'all think that's something? Imagine going to the junkyard and then washing your hair after the junkyard. Mine's be worse than that.
It looked like little dust particles. Did you get up close, baby?
Yeah.
You can see it?
I made it light so they can see it because it's darker. It looks.
Look around, even around this little part.
Yeah.
You get up close to it, baby.
So now get in the shower so you can wash your booty this thing.
Turn the water on, baby. Alright. Turn it off.
So this is my hair, freshly washed, you guys. Excuse my background if you hear a lot going on. It's like bedtime, so Will's putting the kids to bed. But I can say that my hair feels really good. It does seem a little bit drier just because, you know, we've done what we've done. So I want to make sure I moisturize while it's still wet, and that's the key to moisturizing your hair really good. You want it to still be wet, and you want to take an oil to seal in that moisture from the water. So I'm done moisturizing. Didn't want to do that part on camera just because I do have a video dedicated to that, so make sure you check that video. My hair feels so good though, and I completely got the smell out with my shampoo, so I'm really excited about that. Overall, I feel like this is something that I will do just because I like the way it feels, and having a peace of mind that some of the dirt and debris that was in my hair has come out there. Because you guys know, if you follow my life journey, I never want to have buildup or anything. Hair, as you can see, I had some dust particles and stuff in my hair. Did want to do this because I did notice at the end of my locks there was like some residue or something in my hair, and I was just like, you know what, I don't even want to keep picking at it. I just want to get it out the best way I can without damaging my locks. So I decided to watch some videos, and they were really helpful. And really, oh, look at this lock. I'm really glad I did it. Where is it? Oh, here you go. Look at that little curl. Thanks for requesting this video, because I don't know if I would have even considered it if it wasn't for you guys. That's why I love our community. And make sure you watch my wash video and also my moisturize video if you're wondering how I do those things. Thank you for watching, and yes, I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Request some more videos down below. Do what you do. All right, bye.